Welcome to Ollie's Adventures!
Let's do this!
Chugga-Chugga Choo-Choo by Kevin Lewis. Pictures by Daniel Kirk. Sun's up, morning's here, up and at 'em, engineer. Chugga-chugga choo-choo, whistle blowing, woo, 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 woo. Hurry, hurry, load the freight, to the city, can't be late. Through the country on the loose, engine black and red caboose. Chugga-chugga choo-choo, wheels a-turnin', woo, woo. Round the mountains high and steep, through the valleys low and deep. Into tunnels underground, see the darkness, hear the sound. Chugga-chugga choo-choo, echo calling, woo, 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 woo. Across the river, swift and wide, a bridge goes to the other side. Chugga-chugga choo-choo, there's the city, woo, 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 woo. In the station, workers wait, ready to unload the freight. Boxcars empty, one by one, sun is setting, job well done, tired, tired, choo-choo. Night is falling, woo, woo. To the roundhouse you are bound, good night engine, safe and sound. Sleepy, sleepy, choo-choo, till tomorrow, woo, woo. The end. Let's make a circle track like the book.
Let's play! Tunnel! Choo-choo around the circle.
Yeah, choo-choo goes around the circle.
On the top.
Around the track.
Choo-choo on the top. Look, on the top.
Oh no, whoa! Oh, my foot's on the track!
Oh no!
And my foot's on the track! Oh no! My foot's on the track! Oh no, my foot's on the track! Oh! Oh! down next to it. You watching it? Choo-choo, choo-choo! Up in the air, choo-choo!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh! There it goes. Off the track. Here. Let's put these ones on so it doesn't... Oh no! There it goes! Here. Let's put these guys underneath. Okay, put this one on. There you go. Now put this one on. Hold on, pick it up. Push down. Okay. Put this one here. Push down. Yay! We did it! Okay. You gonna make it go?
No, I'll go.
It's up in the air!
Ah.
Oh, he crashed. There goes the train. Oh no, your foot's in the way. He's going to get you. Round and around and around. Look at our track that's lifted up off the ground. Oh! Oh, he got through anyway. He got through anyway. Oh, he's gonna hit your foot. Oh, he stopped. He's gonna go off the rails. James is gonna go off the rails. Oh, there goes James. James went off the rails. Oh, there's James. Yeah. James fell. Oh, you're putting him back up there? There goes. You trying to get James going? Oh, yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Oh, watch your foot. He's stuck. James is stuck. He got through. Around and around and around he goes. There he goes. Oh, and there he stopped. Oh, you're setting him off again. Oh, he's stuck.
They're trying.